Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OSTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times before, but it's been a while. But after today's price movement, definitely a very, very nice bounce on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one because not only did the price bounce nicely, but this was all occurring on above average volume. So like I said, a lot of eyeballs on it. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $10.85. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $10.85, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would definitely be a big sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1085 would be great, but as long as the overall price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? Initial level of resistance going to be right up here at $11.40, and if the price can push up through $11.40, next key overall level, just want to make sure that I'm not. So there's an annotation from an older video I've done, but yeah, let's see here. Yes, I'm talking to myself. So after 1140, next key, next big level, right up there around $11.75. Big dynamic though that occurred today, like I've already talked about. Volume kicked it up a gear. Price acted very nicely with that increase in volume. And the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. But yeah, best case would be staying above 1085. Let's see if the bulls can get that job done. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.